What's it make blooms?
Think they're gonna spray it with some soap? Here comes the soap. Look, you can watch it on the windows.
Where's the car wash? Wow! It's dark in here!
Now here come the scrubbers. They're gonna scrub the car clean. These are really silly. See, look at them. They're gonna scrub it.
Whoa.
Do you hear him scrubbing it?
Why scrubbing it? I want to wash it. Why spray loud, Mommy? Why spray loud?
Because it's gotta scrub all the bird poop off my car.
Why? What is it? Spray loud.
Is that awesome? What do you think? Do you like the car wash? Here come the brushes again. So did I get the bird poop off my car?
Now we're gonna drive through the big blow dryer. Just like drying your hair. You know, we blow dry your hair.
It's gonna dry my car.
It's gonna dry Mommy's car. If Dad wasn't driving.
So much fun.
Did you like it?
That car's going to take a turn, right?
That's right.
Why that car's going to take a turn?
Because it's their turn. So, Brianna, did you like the car wash?
Do you need gas?
Mommy, Daddy, why open the window?
We can't. It's starting to rain, kiddo.
Why we can't?
It's starting to rain.
So, do you want to go to the car wash again sometime?
Yeah. Let's see the brushes again.
What was your favorite part?
Brushes.
The brushes?
Yeah.
Were you peeking through your fingers a little bit?
Why? Why pick for my finger? Why pick for my finger.
Well, because I was watching you and you were kind of peeking through your fingers.
Yeah, because it's so loud.
Yeah. It was fun though, wasn't it?
Why is fun if we ride it for the air? Why?
And look.
A bird will come off. Why bird will come off, Mommy?
Because the brushes washed it off.
What's brushes again? Brushes.